questions that may come to anybody's mind. Exactly what would have happened at the residence of Saif Ali Khan, what happened an hour later, who attacked him, who was the intruder, what was the motive, why was he armed, how did he exactly gain entry. These are the basic questions that we are going to basically summarize and put that out for our viewers to see. Question number one. Saif Ali Khan attack, it was a burglary bid or a bigger ploy? This is being said on part of the police that it was an attempted robbery. But was there more to that? That still remains a big question mark. Another question, if the theft was the motive, why was nothing stolen? Because we are coming at a high-profile house, several expensive items would have been around. It seems that the burglar, according to the statement recorded by the nanny, only demanded 1 crore rupees. Why nothing else was picked up? Why did he involve himself in a scuffle with the actor where he stabbed him multiple times? Another question that it now begs answer. Why did the police let the suspect go after detention? Because that was when we are looking at a lot of movement that happened yesterday at the Bandra police station when the news reports came in that a suspect has been picked up. But hours of questioning later, he was let go. There is another question that also arises when it comes to the CCTV footages. Why are the police still clueless? Because the entire area is covered with CCTVs. However, there are certain blind spots where the intruder cleverly avoided being spotted in those CCTV cameras. That means that he was very well aware of the layout of the building. Were there any construction workers also involved? Because there was some flooring work that was also taking place in the building. How long that they were working for? When it comes to the laborers, the people who were also working there, they too have been questioned by the police. Is it one of them, or did any one of them aid the intruder? That also still remains a question mark. Another question, how was the intruder familiar with the layout? Someone who's been there before, someone is possibly an insider job. How did he gain entry into the building? How did he gain entry into Saif Ali Khan's house? Those are the basic questions that still remain unanswered. How did he enter Saif Ali Khan's house? That also is the biggest question, because so far what is being suggested through reports that it was not a forced entry. Was the attack on Saif Ali Khan an inside job? It seems that seems to be also the question that was taken up with Kareena Kapoor Khan as well, while her statement was being recorded by the Mumbai police. What is also being said that in that hurry, we are looking at within seconds how the situation unfolded, because Saif Ali Khan was attacked, he was stabbed multiple times. There were nannies, there were helpers, caretakers in that house who had witnessed the attack. Now, apparently, the suspect was locked by the nanny or by the caretaker. In the meantime, they decided to take Saif Ali Khan to the hospital. Then how did the intruder manage to escape? That is another question. If he was locked, then where did he escape from? Did anyone, in fact, when it comes to the insider's job that is now being questioned, did anyone was familiar with this man, with the intruder, especially when it comes to the inside job? That is a question which is also not being ruled out. Let's in the meantime also talk about another question. How did no one see the suspect escape? That means, was he so familiar with the layout of the building altogether? He knew exactly where there were CCTV cameras. He bypassed when it comes to the security cabins are also placed over there. He knew exactly what the entry, what the exit points, what the fire staircase was, according to the police, that is now being taken by the intruder. So he knew exactly what was he doing, but what was his motive? Why did he attack Saif Ali Khan? Those are the unanswered questions.
Well, absolutely. And these are the unanswered questions which remain. Amita, thank you for taking us through.